So this week's word of the week for week number 26 is muscular endurance. Now, muscular endurance is defined as the muscle's ability to exert force repeatedly. So make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity of the day, and we'll get started in just a moment. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's Fast 5 workout number 26 consists of the following 4 exercises. Exercise number 1, we have Criss Crosses. Exercise number 2, we have step side squats. Exercise number 3, we have donkey kicks. And exercise number 4, we have shoulder taps. So make sure you stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here we go for Fast 5 workout number 26. Exercise number 1, we have Criss Crosses. So you're gonna start feet shoulder width apart, and you're simply gonna cross your feet like this. And then you're gonna open them back up. And then if you wanna go behind, and then open them back up. And if you wanna do both, you can do both, forward and backwards. And those are called Criss Crosses. Exercise number 2, we have side step squats. So we're gonna go ahead and go feet shoulder width apart. We're gonna squat down, take a step, squat down, take a step. And we're just gonna go side to side, stepping left and right, and squatting, okay? Side step squats. Next we have donkey kicks. So we're gonna go ahead and go down on all 4. You're gonna make sure your hands are facing forward. Basically, you're just gonna get one leg to go and it's gonna kick back. We're gonna do that 3 times. It's 1, that's 2, and 3, and then we'll switch. 1, 2. The goal is to kick out right behind you, directly behind you. So those are called donkey kicks. And the last one we're gonna do is called shoulder taps. So we're gonna get into a push-up plank position. While we're in a push-up plank position, we're simply just gonna get one hand to come up and tap our shoulder, tap our shoulder. We're gonna go side to side, okay? So those are called shoulder taps. All right, so get ready for your Fast 5 workout number 26, and we'll begin shortly. 3, 2, 1, and go. Criss Crosses. So again, you can go forward, you can go behind, or you can do both, forward and back. Okay, just crossing your feet, side to side. There we go, let's go, my friends. We're working hard today. Breathe through your nose, out through your mouth. Good job, kiddos. Good job, ladies and gents. All right, we got 3, 2, 1, and go. Let's go squat and then step. Step. Step and squat. Good job. Keep up the good work, my friends. Work hard, work hard. Anything you do in life, remember the motto, just finish. Side step squats. Woo! Definitely feel that one. All right, going on down. Donkey kicks. 3, 2, 1. Go. Kick back. 1, 2, 3. Switch. 1, 2, 3. Take it back. Take it back. 1, 2, 3. Great job. Let's go. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Keep it up. You're doing great. One more round. 1, 2, 3. You're ready to switch it up. Shoulder taps. 2 and 3. All right, shoulder taps. Push your plank position and alternate. Go switch. Tap your shoulder. Hold your body up. Keep your back straight. Knees off the ground. If you need to drop down for a quick second, that's okay. Jump right back in. Let's go. You're doing great. Keep up the good work. Let's go. Almost done with round 1, my friends. Let's go. All right, and time. All right, rest. 1 minute rest, my friends. hydrated. Right now, start pumping. Focus on your breathing, catch your breath. And I want you guys to think about what motivates you, what pushes you to keep working hard, and keep that in mind when you guys are doing these fast 5 workouts. We now have 26 fast 5 workouts, so we are nearing that 30, 31 mark to do 1 a day. So highly encourage you guys to keep up the good work. Stay with me, stay motivated, and as always, just finish, my friends, okay? All right, 5 seconds left. Get ready for round number 2. Again, we're gonna start with Criss Crosses. Here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Criss Crosses, side to side, let's go. You're doing great, let's go. Alright, side squats, squat, and step. Step, squat. Let's go. And squat. See how low you can go in this round? Challenge yourself. Drop that bottom lower. You can do it. Woo! With me, comment down below, say, I'm excited. Keep going, my friends. Just finished. Hashtag just finished. All right. And let's go in those donkey kicks. Here we go. Turn this way so you can see a better angle. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Kick back. 1, 2, 3. Switch. 1, 2, 3. Switch. Keep up the good work. Push back, pretend there's some weights behind you. Good job. Work. 10 more seconds. Almost there, my friends. The finish line is near. All right, last one. Let's go. Shoulder taps. Up and tap, 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 tap. Let's go. Finish strong. Let's go, let's go. You got it. And time. Nice job, my friends. Great job. Give yourself a high five. Pat yourself on the back. Here's a virtual fist bump. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that fast 5 workout number 26. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about the exercises, the workout, and what motivated you throughout this workout. Drop a comment down below. Don't forget to use our hashtag, ThePESpot, so we can best support you on your fitness journey as well. And as always, at the PE Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we have a very fun activity and it's called soccer. So make sure you guys stay tuned and don't go anywhere. In this game, you're only gonna need a few household items. So you're gonna need 1 box and you're actually gonna cut out 1 portion of the box. You're gonna use 3 pairs of socks, so approximately 6 socks together. And what you're gonna do is put them all together and then from the top, you're gonna roll it up and this is gonna be your soccer ball. And the last item you're going to need is some tape. So make sure you stay tuned. I'll demonstrate the activity in just a moment. For this activity, as I mentioned, you're going to need a box. What I did is I just cut one side of it out, and that's going to be my goal. I made that softball, as I showed you guys in the intro. I have some tape here on the floor. You're going to have 3 different levels in today's activity. In level 1, I'm going to have 30 seconds to make as many goals as I can. If I start right here at the 5-foot line, I'm going to get 1 point. If I start over here and shoot it from the second line at 8 feet, that's going to be worth 2 points. I'm going to see how many points I can collect in 30 seconds. Go. 1. 3. Oh. 4, 5. 6, 7. Almost. 8. 9. 30 seconds is up. Total point score was 9. Start in 3, 2, 1, go. Points. Okay. 4 points. 5 points. 6 points. 8 points. 9 points. And tie. Level 2 now. Now we're what's going to happen is we're going to be at the 8-foot line. And that's going to be our free kick. If you make it at the free kick line, that's worth 1 point. We're also including corners. If you make it in your right or left corner, that's going to be worth 2 points. We're going to have 30 seconds to score as many points as possible, so stay tuned. 3, 2, 1, go.
Look at that.
3 points.
Yeah.
5 points. And time. I got 5 points. Alright, starting in 3, 2, 1, go. 1 point. 2 points. 3 points. 5 points. 3. As you notice, we now have 2 boxes. So we're going to have a defender. Jordan's going to be the first defender. My job is to make it at the 8-foot line into either one of these boxes. Jordan has to defend it using his feet and hands. He's a goalie. Now, this is just like a PK at the end of a game when a match is tied. They go to PKs. So I'm going to go 1. Jordan's going to go next. And then we're going to go back and forth. Okay, so I'm going to go first. Jordan will go second until one of us makes at least 3 shots.
Go!
Oh, it's a good block. All right, Jordan's up. Jordan's up. Oh, stop. Oh. All right, Jordan's up. There 0. Here they call it 0-0. All right. First one to 3 wins.
Yay! I win again!
Just like that, Jordan wins. Well, we really hope you enjoyed that game of soccer. Please don't forget to
Like, subscribe, and comment.
please comment. We really enjoy you guys' comments. We read them. We respond to them. Another thing, we're very excited to announce we just crossed our 100 subscriber milestone. I know that may not be a big deal to you guys, but to us, that's huge because that means we're helping so many people out there. So please spread the word. We really, really appreciate it. Also, because of that, I'm going to do 100 push-ups on an upcoming video. For every milestone, we're going to have a different type of workout that I'm going to do, or Jordan. Jordan said he's going to do 15 burpees per milestone. So remember, at the P Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.